Hello YouTube, I'd like to show you my complete buffing kit so far what I have. Here's the drill I use. You see how it's in the vise. It's got one of my bigger wheels. I have one that's bigger than this. This is just for buffing out the compound. It's not the final polishing. That's a super clean one. So this is whatever color I use. You can tell it's got different colors like brown looking and gray and black. So this just to remove all the polish, give it the first shine. So that's always dirtier. Okay. We're going to swing you around here to the desk and show you a newest buffing wheel I just got yesterday. Okay, it's getting where everything won't hardly fit the box. This is the newest one I got yesterday. It's like a cylinder. I'll just pause on this. Try to get a good... There, so if you're interested, you can look it up, Harbor Freight. I always say that I don't get paid to show their stuff. I just buy a lot of their cheap stuff because it works. And on the back it does say, you want to pause on it, kind of what grits the metal. I'm thinking they mean that's what you sanded it to. If you want to pause and look at that, okay? But that's what this is. And I picked up some brown polish because I want to do knife blades. And I experimented, and I find this is a little bit better than using the blue. The blue is just not aggressive enough. So I've got these lined up kind of in order, what I think. Black is really abrasive. The gray, in my opinion, it doesn't do a whole lot compared to the black. The brown I've had pretty good luck with on a few things. And the blue I've had really good luck with. I've used on my snap-on wrenches to get that really nice shine. A really nice shine on chrome. So that's that for that. Tools I use. I use this to clean up my buffing pads. It's the dullest knife I own, but it doesn't matter. That's like when you want to change pads, when you got the shank in there, then you need a Phillips screwdriver. I marked some of my wheels. There's the train. Of course you need a screwdriver. Scissors to trim it. And there's the key to the drill. So there's that. We'll pause, let the train go through. Okay, I think the train is done. I even got up and closed the door. It won't be so loud. This is used for black. This is the nastiest one I have for doing the most aggressive polishing on something. Like from the very start, I start with the black. Okay. This is my final one. I have a bigger, newer one. This is the final one. You notice it's hardly dirty. When I finally want to put that last shine on, okay, of course y'all seen that one. This I got just for plastic. I happened to grab the cone shaped. I've only used a little bit on plastic screwdriver handles. That's why it's pretty clean. Of course polish will turn black on metal, but on plastic you can tell it's pretty clean. Okay. We'll pause one more time. We'll get you up closer to the box full of stuff here. Okay, I use a wire brush. That's the common size I use. The most small stuff I use. I try to wire brush off the stuff. I call this the scrubby pad. It's the polycarbonate, silicon carbide, whatever. And I've been trying to keep it like a grindstone so it'll last longer. I think I said that in a few videos. Try not to wear the sides at all. Because using a drill to strip paint, you know it's going to taper it. So, this came with the arbor, so it's reusable. Okay, this is 150 grit, if I'm not mistaken. It did not do a whole lot on a lot of things I tried it on. Yep, I even marked it. This I had better luck with. If you watched how I did the wrenches. So I had a lot better luck with that. And down to these felt ones. These work really good on knife blades. I got this loaded up with the blue compound. I've got a spare in here that I marked that had blue on it before. So I said it'll turn black as it cleans. This one I've got some of the brown loaded up ready. I know that looks like a lot on here, but when you're really getting into it, I'll go on a slow speed and really get the stuff hot and smearing on the blade, like say a knife blade. So I'm really getting it coated good. That's just the way I like to do it. And this one I've got reserved for black. This is the one I used on my big hunting knife video with the black. So I did wear it down some. It was not this small before, but I did wear it down quite a bit. You can see how I did the corners, because I was really aggressive with this thing, which you really shouldn't be, but that's your choice. I do not know what these cost. They came in a pack, and I do not know how many is in a pack. I'm guessing there was maybe 6 of them. I might be missing a few. So that's a complete kit here that I use. So I'll snap a few photos just for the fun of it, and thanks for watching.